Hi, my name is Alyssa and I am a population health nutritionist from Southwestern Sydney Local Health District Health Promotion Service. Welcome to week 4 of the Everyday Cooking program. Today we'll be making apple and carrot pikelets. These pikelets are a great, healthy, high fibre snack and include both fruit and vegetables. Offering healthy snacks like these pikelets between meals help young children meet their nutritional needs more easily. Offering planned snacks is much better than allowing children to graze between meals. This is also a good way to ensure your children meet the recommended daily fruit intake and limit sometimes foods like biscuits, cakes or chips. The amount of fruit we should eat each day varies depending on our age. Children aged 2 to 3 years need 1 serve. Children aged 4 to 8 years need 1.5 serves. And anyone aged 9 years and over need 2 serves of fruit a day. Remember to choose healthy snacks yourself and eat together with your child. This will help your child learn to eat healthy foods. Now, let's get cooking. For today's recipe, we need 1 large carrot, 1 large apple, 1 cup of wholemeal self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of light milk, 1 egg, low-fat vanilla yogurt to serve, and some spray oil. To prepare our ingredients, begin by peeling, then grating the carrot. Add the grated carrot to a bowl and set aside. Then peel and grate the apple, stopping at the core. Place in a bowl and set aside. To a new bowl, add 1 cup of wholemeal self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, then whisk together to combine. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of light milk, and 1 egg. Whisk together until the mixture is smooth. Add in the grated carrot and the grated apple. Stir with a spoon until all combined. Now to begin cooking, turn the pan on to a medium heat. Evenly grease the pan with a spray oil. Spoon heaped teaspoons of pikelet mixture into the pan. Repeat this until the pan is filled, leaving space for the pikelets to expand. About 4 to 6 pikelets. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until small bubbles form on the surface. Using a spatula, flip the pikelets over and cook for a further 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the pikelets from the pan to a plate and repeat with the remaining mixture. Allow to cool for a few minutes and serve with a low-fat vanilla yogurt.